Hello, my name is Medairy. I am a junior here at Grove City College. I'm an innovation design major, and last summer of 2023, I spent 3 weeks in Portugal at the European Innovation Academy. EIA is sort of an incubation. It's where people from all over the world come together to come up with ideas and create a company or a product that they think can change the world. It's where people come together to create the next billion-dollar idea. My team, we had 5 people from all across the United States. We created an AI translation app that was used to take live streams and convert the audio into subtitles from any language to any language. When I first got to Portugal, the first thing I felt was so many nerves. I was nervous to be in a new country, a new place, with people that I didn't know, and coming out of it, it was the best experience of my life. Living there for 3 weeks, I picked up a little bit of Portuguese. I met friends that I'm still friends with today, and everyone there was so kind, so inviting. It is one of the safest countries in the world. So friendly, so hospitable. It was beautiful. Every street was just so clean, and I've never felt so at home in a place that wasn't my home. EIA is about learning how to build ideas and build a company. Their big thing was you don't come in knowing the company, you come in knowing the problem. So our problem was that people aren't able to listen to live streams when it's in different languages. EIA really emphasized that it takes teams of diversity from all over the world to really find the solution. It took a whole week for us just to figure out what the solution is to our problem. You come up with ideas, and after lots and lots of mentoring, you finally come up with your product. They brought people in from all over the world to mentor us in different aspects of what a company needs. So I really enjoyed the law part of the program. We learned about patents, what makes our product different from other people's products, how do you get a patent, what is required for it. We learned about the process in different countries and how to really navigate the law side of how to build a company or a startup. I am an innovation design major. I had no idea what I wanted to do when I went there. You do not need to be an entrepreneurship major to join. You can be an engineer. Engineers are very greatly wanted at this program because you can have an idea, but maybe you don't know how to design it, or maybe you don't know how to actually build the product. You could be in marketing. There's a whole week dedicated to marketing. You could be in comms, or maybe you just have an idea and you have no business related major at all. I met someone that was in education and they brought an education related project to EIA. There's a lot you can learn in a classroom. You can learn what to do when you start a company, but getting the real experience of going out there and starting a company is worth 5 years of college. I learned how to interact with people because sometimes building a team is the hardest part. I learned that when you build a company, you need to surround yourself with the people who are wise enough to help you navigate that world. I will always remember all of the wisdom I acquired while there, but I really did feel like the mentorship that I received there, it's invaluable. There is nothing worth more than the people that poured their time into me in my life. I 100% think that people at Grove City should participate in EIA. I think that Grove City, being a Grover, you are definitely going to be at an advantage if you go there.